Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix the problem when the customized Chrome button is not showing in the Google Chrome browser. So let's start to first open your Chrome browser and you can see the right hand side bottom your customized Chrome button here showing. So if in your Chrome browser this button is not showing, then first go to the right hand side and click on the three dot and scroll down and click on the second last option, settings, and here your Chrome setting is open. Then go to the left hand side and click on the search engine and make sure here your Google search engine is by default. Just click on the manage search engine site and you can check the Google is your default search engine here set. If not, just click on the three dot and click on the make default. Okay. Here is already set the default search engine. Second way, go to the right hand side, click on the three dot, scroll down and click on the help option and click on the about Google Chrome. And here update your Chrome browser. Okay, wait for the few seconds to updating your Chrome and it's done. Then click the relaunch option and wait for the few seconds to open your Chrome again. And here you can see your Chrome is updated. Now you can see right hand side bottom your customized Chrome button will visible. So hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you.